So I'm hoping if you're watching this video, it's because you saw the course announcement and you're here to do the makeup assignment. So what's going to follow on this page are a series of small videos. I'd like to break the videos in little chunks so this way a little bit more digestible. You don't feel like you're having to sit here and watch a 20-minute video. In fact, you can break it into like 4 or 5 little videos. But the point of these videos is to kind of give you the course introduction that we're not going to be able to do in lecture on January 4th because of the snow day. So these videos are broken into different parts. One's about course policies, one's about student success, and one's going to be, how to navigate the website. What I want to talk about in this video with you really quick is the purpose of this assignment. So there's 2 big things I need you to do when you do the makeup assignment. The first is going to be the student survey. Now the idea of the student survey is I want to get a feel for who in my class had, what professors they've had, how long it's been since they've taken chemistry. As you've probably noticed that there are a lot of different styles and a lot of different emphases depending on who your instructor was for Chemistry 1. And you're going to see this with my students, that my students had a different emphasis than your emphasis. I want to make sure by the time we reach test 1, everyone is caught up and is up to the same place in terms of their understanding and their background knowledge. So if I have an idea of who had you, I'll have an idea of what your background is and what gaps I need to fill in, what gaps I don't need to fill in. The second thing that you need to do, and this is equally important, is the entry quiz. Now the entry quiz is meant to assess your math skills and your basic chemistry skills. Now we do a little bit of refresher of Chemistry 1 in the first couple of weeks, but I would prefer the emphasis be on the new Chemistry 2 material. So if you could do the entry quiz, you have the bare minimum you need to be able to do this course. Now what gets students into a lot of trouble with Chemistry 2 is that, one, they're not used to the amount of math that's involved with it. Chemistry 1 was very much a qualitative science, and here we're going to be setting up a lot of algebraic expressions and solving them. So if you can't work with solving algebraic expressions, if you can't work with natural logs and exponentials, you're going to struggle a lot as we start getting to the Test 3 and Test 4 material. Now you also need to make sure that you're remembering some of the basic stuff from Chemistry 1 as well. So you understand how to do nomenclature, you understand how to take a name and go to a chemical formula. Those are the kind of basic skills that we're not going to really go over, but you do need to be able to do. So please go through the course website. I'm going to have, again, there's going to be more videos up here to give you background information with the course, but please use this day off as a way to familiarize yourself with the course website, as well as assess basically how well you're remembering the Chemistry 1 materials.